Hello, my name is Hibel Olamat, and today I will be explaining how to use 8am MyCase as a future lawyer. Firstly, this platform connects with my profession because I would love to go into law. LMSs aren't only for law students but also lawyers. A quote from Jung and Ha in 2019 states that a paradigm shift from teacher-focused education to learner-focused education has been based on an ubiquitous computing environment. This is extremely important because it shows that LMSs can be used for different kinds of professions and educations based on different levels. For example, Canvas can be used in high schools and universities, and platforms such as 8am MyCase can be used in law school as well as in the legal profession. As you can see here, I have 8am MyCase opened, and it immediately goes to the dashboard. This will show you your timesheet calendar, your billable hours, and your billable total. You can divide that into what kind of money you want to see for either this week or this month, and it also has different features. For instance, you can email a fellow coworker that's an attorney about a certain case right on the platform. I find this to be very helpful about learning management systems because it allows you to do everything in one place without having to leave and open an app such as Gmail. Additionally, I can make little notes such as I have to call John Doe back or I have to call my client back before a certain time. Again, this is another instance where you can do everything in one platform, and as soon as you open it, it'll be right there. A personal negative I find about this is that I've experienced with platforms such as Canvas, and sometimes if it has an outage, there's not much you can do, and it can be very vile because you have to turn everything in and be organized in just one platform. So if it's out, you have no other substitutions. However, I do find this platform would be very helpful and organized. You can select your cases, select people, organize everything, and it seems to be very helpful. I really like the sidebar on the left too, where you can see payments, accounting, documents. You can upload everything that you want. You can connect with people and talk to them. And this kind of connects to an article I read by On MU that says changes in tools and methodology transform the perception of intellectual material and the whole philosophy of education. I find myself to really agree with that. I feel like an instance of the change in education is being able to see the AI help you. Like when you go to the help center, as I showed previously, you can text the AI your question and it'll be able to help you. Something that I don't really love about this is I think it would be more helpful to talk to an actual representative since AIs have their limits. But overall, I find 8am MyCase to be very useful for future attorneys, and I would really recommend it.